2022 trends are all about relaxation. After such hard times we all went through, now it's time to relax and feel comfortable at your home. It has to feel like a holiday. There's definitely something about imperfections. It creates a warm environment, more relaxed environment. And the best way to create a planned imperfection in your bathroom is to look at the nature, because nature is imperfect. If you use products that comes from nature, you will have natural imperfections, such as the wood veins or the marble veins. They're all going to create a very relaxed, comfortable environment in your bathroom. Again, to create that warmth in your bathroom, wood-looking tiles are going to be trendy this year. Durable and easy to use, and also looking like a wood, which is going to create, again, a relaxing environment for you. Twin shower heads are going to be trendy in 2022. It's going to give a luxurious feel to your place, and there are so many ways you can include this in your design. Industrial style is going to be trendy this year. It's about creating contrast and strength. To achieve this look, you can use concrete and mix it with wood. And also, it's a good idea to add some warmth to it with your accessories, maybe some towels or some flowers. Add some interesting items to the design to make it a little bit warmer. Tub without bounds is going to be a great addition to any of the room. You can just put it straight in your bedroom. It's again about relaxation, and when you have a tub right in the middle of your bedroom, because of the open space, you will feel so much better relaxed and will create a great look in your bedroom. Bathrooms are an essential part of our homes, and recent trends show that we are starting to think about bathrooms in a whole new way. The new and nostalgia-infused 80s bathroom colors palette offers 80s eye-popping choices that make it easy to create a total look with patterned accessories.